If you plan on working along with me with the Seminole Patchwork with Paper series, there'll be a certain way that you'll be wanting to cut the paper. And this is it. What you need is paper. I'm using a card weight paper. You'll need a glue stick, a straight edge, a nice sharp cutting tool, and you'll especially need this PDF. This is called this is the first PDF, and it's a number 1. And to make the strips, any of the strips, you'll be using the number 1 PDF. It's got these little lines in it. Each of these little lines, each of the little spaces, I refer to as a unit. So here's 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. The way I want you to cut your paper, and I find this to be the most accurate way to get good results, is put a thin strip of glue on the edge of the number 1, the first PDF. Line it up to your paper. Just covering the paper. Now you'll notice on this PDF it's got an edge where there's no lines. We're just going to cut that off and throw that away. So I'm going to line up right on that first edge as carefully as I can. Now when cutting, it's best in all of these things that we're cutting is to do light cuts numerous times. There we go. So now I cut that first one off. I'm going to, for this one, I want to make this 4 units. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I cut down 4 units. And as I'm working through this video series, each one will have some units that I specify. So for this one, it's 4. So I would cut this, holding down tight with my fingers, but lightly with my blade. And there's my strip. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to the next color. But one thing that I'm going to suggest here is that you take a little edge off. The reason is I'm going to say keep this on the yellow, because you'll use yellow again for something else. And it's nice to always have them handy. So here's, I've got a blue and a purple, and now I'm just going to put it in there because I've got that little edge showing. I know what color is there. Okay, I suppose I could just turn it over, but I tend to keep them this way. Okay, so that's how you do the cutting, and yeah, that's a real important step.